Be mint.
Three. We'll do the three. We'll do the three.
You ask me and you shall receive.
Yeah, I will. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
That's all good, man. This is how it goes with two strokes, to be quite honest with
pull
you.
off the side and take a breaker bar.
Yeah, we'll pull it apart. Put a bunch of Hobby G40 in it. See what happens.
It's killing me.
I know. I hate to even do that, but
I don't want to do it.
Smoking deal. Hey guys, Rad Performance here, and this is how you get a $500 dirt bike for $300. What was the original listing, may I ask?
he said he had it up for $1,000.
Had it up for $1,000. Oh my god. And we got it for $300 at the cost of locking up the motor.
Oh, I didn't know you're letting it go.
My fault.
Monkey.
Yeah, monkey.
Ooh, ah. All right.
Holding it the whole time. All right.
So we're a little bit concerned because the motor definitely looks touched because it's painted with Rust-Oleum. There's it's blue silicone where a gasket should be. And did I mention the motor's locked?
Yeah.
I might have done that. There's no muffler.
Brake.
To the drawing board. All right.
Nice.
That's enough. All right. We troll. Indeed, one way not to spill it on the ground. You just put the bike on its side. I didn't even realize that. That's great.
Oh, you did?
Womp womp. How's our water pump looking?
Mint.
Oh, mint.
That's what it does. Spin.
Oh, that's great. Well, neither does the rest of the bike, so I mean, that's about on par. Yeah, chat, I think this is not the best sign right here.
Somebody tried by spray painting.
Somebody
Frame's
tried.
not supposed to be painted. I know that.
What's funny is my CR actually is painted too. Like,
But you can tell.
red.
Yeah, it doesn't look right on this. Broke loose. Is this gonna give us enough slack?
We may have to disconnect that. Do we have...
I don't know. I get it.
It should be fine though, honestly, yeah. It should come
Oh, wait.
out. Yeah, you just have
There
to
we go.
like exact or mundo.
It's so close.
I could actually loosen the...
I loosened the lever
Oh yeah, right.
already. It's just right there. I think I need to turn like a little bit.
1 second. I'm just cleaning this.
There you go. Yeah. I mean, this thing's pretty good because the red fluid is a good indicator. They use like at least or maybe it's just stock. Well, I don't think it'll be that clean if it was stock. I'm trying to think.
Is there anything else that's in there?
You might be fighting the Kickstarter here. I don't know what the water pump deal is.
It's moving with us. With this, right?
Yeah. Oh, to be honest with you, I think that's a good sign though because I'm hoping it means that the kickstart is what's actually binding.
That's
and
what I was
it's not
thinking.
the whole bike.
Look at that, baby.
Oh, see?
Look at that, baby. And pouring extra fluid out. Come on. Totally not useful.
Not useful. Yeah, there we go.
Right.
Nice big flat bar. You
What do you
know,
want?
flathead screwdriver.
What do you
Like
want?
a
You need a pry bar.
Yeah, nice big pry bar. Or what the
Who put that there, bro? Where'd that come from? I think it is promising that hopefully it's just a Kickstarter is what's the problem here.
Maybe we just jump on it though.
Well, that's the thing. If like, because the Kickstarter's a little bit like special. There's a lot in there. So like, if one thing like the spring came off and then it just suddenly got jammed, it won't spin. Like
You
the
know,
whole
you have
thing
to
won't
pull
spin.
the-
Because there's like a clutch in it.
Let's try it.
That's what I was
Just that
thinking. though.
impeller off it.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
My bad.
You're not gonna have to pull book anymore.
Is a lock on this thing?
Yeah.
Or did it?
So you can probably crack it by hand, right?
It's gotta be something holding it.
Yeah, my money is on the Kickstarter.
I like how it's labeled.
Yeah.
Kickstarter. Would have had no idea what that was. Well, that worked.
Man, that was just like one of the bushings for the Kickstarter. I mean, it's in the oil. It should be fine. Yeah, it's like not even trying to hide the fact that it's Rust-Oleum.
Oh, come on. Can someone get that off?
Oh yeah, it's for spark plug in it.
Yeah.
So let's check if
This is not looking. It'll be fine.
This might have been what they put in there just to paint it.
Actually, yeah. This thing might be molested, chat.
Yep.
There we go. Now she is cycling, chat. That was it. Just got locked up.
Yeah,
Okay,
why?
now, well, that's a great question. Why? Think here. I mean, it's definitely getting gas. You smell that, right?
Yeah.
So, do you have a compression tester, maybe? I mean, we can literally just rip it, take the boot off, and try to get this thing started for fun. I mean, I highly recommend we put something down the throat of it, like to lube it up.
No, you have the spark plug. Well, you did. Under your balls.
Clearly under your balls. All right, so you're gonna ground it out somewhere? Where do we ground it out?
Yeah, wherever is not spray paint.
Wow, I did a really good spray paint job.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, chat, this is where you learn from our mistakes. Do not, I repeat not, let your friend with the heavy trigger finger use the impact to rotate the motor off. If you were to use a normal drill, better suited for what we are trying to do here. But do not use an impact, and whenever you hear it start to stop the impact, do not keep your finger on the trigger. You have been warned. Learn from our stupidity and laugh.
I was about to say
That
stop.
I was about to, yeah, if it wasn't spit.
Just broke the crank.
See, this is why we
Well,
need
I
a
guess
breaker
we don't really
bar.
Well, let's check out the clip. You know,
How does that make sense? How can you put all the pressure on the bar?
it was going
It's
easy.
entirely different.
Yeah, impact.
Entirely different mechanics.
I mean, I now we're done playing.
GG chat.
Ah!
Let's see.
Crank. Yep. Lovely.
Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. We'll do that.
Washer. Can we just weld it back up?
Yeah, we can weld it back on.
You hold that bearing in?
in?
Well, that's full rebuild now. I mean, I guess you don't really need the clutch.
Yeah, we don't actually need a clutch. Yeah, we'll just rip it around like this. Yeah. I don't see a problem with that. And if you don't have a clutch, you don't in theory need fluid either.
Yeah,
so
no,
it's
just
like,
leave
you
it
know,
open.
it's not going to blow up. Yeah, who cares?
Right, according to Marco, we don't need anything. Just keep breaking everything.
God damn it.
Oh, Chad, I hope you enjoyed this one.
Let's bring it back.
Let's bring it back to bro. It'll work.
Well, who the? You
What?
kidding
It's gotta be somebody else's fault.
I mean, yeah, it's my fault, but I thought you guys said it was okay.
No. Well, I mean,
Well-
when it was impacting like that,
Yeah, if
I
it
thought
doesn't
was just
go,
gonna spin,
yeah.
but it's impacting, so you know that was because you're essentially just really tightening the nut on.
Yeah, like when it was spinning, it was fine. But then when it stopped spinning, that's what gets you.
It must have locked up again.
Bro.
Yeah, definitely locked up again. That sounds about
See if
right.
we can find one locally. Well, we can put this on and kick it and see if it gets spark. But it didn't get.
Did it not get spark at all?
I didn't see it spark.
GG. Do we have any idea how long this thing was sitting for? Interesting. I don't know if we're gonna have to reload each clutch pack. Oh no, Bro's got it. Bro's locked. I mean, yeah, it should kick over by hand now. Oh wait, so we have the spark plug in, so we have some compression now.
No, it's not in.
Oh, okay, so it should just spin. Right.
There's nothing holding the big
Well, let's figure out why it was locked up at least, and then Marco
Yeah,
buys some
that'll
free.
be good. I mean, I think an engine's coming out of a dirt bike tonight. That's what it sounds like to me.
Yeah, let's run on the bench.
Wow, there really are a lot of mosquitoes. You're right. Look at this. Bro doesn't even pay rent. He's flying around here.
Oh, it's me.
All right, chat. So we're gonna unfold.
No,
that. Yeah, this was bro's only mode of transportation. Yeah.
Yeah, I was really relying on this. The
So
time I
promise me.
realized it wasn't spinning, I was like about to, and there's
Yeah, right before.
yeah.
GG chat.
Oh look, he's flying.
I don't know how you keep such high hopes, but it's awesome.
High hopes. I mean, dude, my snowmobile engine blew up. It went in the middle of the woods.
It still drove.
This is such a joke.
No, it
Yeah.
didn't. Not when you were
That when the
there.
motor blows
again?
up.
Before that, the engine blew up. It's a brand new engine in there. It's like,
Oh shit!
I mean-
power valve still.
well, I didn't change that. I mean, it's a rebuilt engine. I rebuilt. I mean, anything.
Is this easy?
Of course,
It's a two-stroke.
All right.
bring Eddie over here.
Bring the Papa Jamaj. Okay, chat. So this monkey didn't totally. So if you look actually right there, because you see how that's directly underneath the piston, and this isn't
not.
directly underneath the
I
piston.
was just
And if my lovely assistant will spin it, that's you, monkey. And then you'll realize that this is just an idler, and we're not totally screwed. That's the rad performance way. Not
what?
really. All right, chat.
Turn right back on.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, I want to say these are like pressed in. Yeah, we won't know.
Maybe look it up.
Yeah, that's a real. ChatGPT.
Let Marco look it up. He broke it. Come on, man.
Yo, put ChatGPT on real quick. Ah,
Nice.
Chat. Now that's rad right there. You put it right back so you can't lose it. Throw it out of a box.
Don't label it and put it back.
Yeah. That's way too much work. Just put it right back.
Big
where it
pair
came
of.
from.
I mean, you could just do a pair of vice grips. You know,
Yeah.
where I used to at Dave's shop, he had vice grips that.
Oh,
had
that
a
has the
slide
slide. I
hammer.
actually have that.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking of using, actually.
Yeah.
All right, let me go drive. I'll be back in like an hour and a half.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, let me just pull up with that real quick.
I'm not waiting for
That's what I'm thinking is our best course here
Wait, I have
is
a
just
welder.
to slap it out with the... Because that has to be... I'm hoping we just literally use that, the vice grip, slap hammer it out, and then we can put like the race on and hammer it in,
that. Is he Googling it?
hopefully. So there is a set of gears behind this. We're going to have to keep you updated on this one, chat.
How's that happening? Who's doing this? What the?
Some witchcraft. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Might want to spin that again for the people on the internet. That's
Maybe let's not pose. We're gonna be like those assholes.
dude,
Leave out all this shit.
dude, this is literally gonna go viral. What are you talking about?
oh, rubber mallet ski. I got you. Trash.
Oh. Oh
That's
my
so weird.
god. Monkey, bro. Monkey tools.
Oh my god.
Guys, if you made it to this point in the video, I firstly want to say thank you so much for watching until this point. Guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe because this is only part one. There's so much more coming on this build. We got big plans for this KX80. We're going to be doing a full rebuild, and then we're going to be ripping it up in the woods with the Suzuki 125, the CR 125, maybe even the KTM as well if we can fit all the bikes up in one shot. But there's so much content coming on this, guys, so you just want to make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button and turn on the bells. And guys, I will see you in the next one. This is Rad Performance out.
We can do anything. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?